It's day 9 and we're going to Kennedy Space Center.
Went up and went around the Earth, is staying more of a long now than on the large rocket. What you see here in horizontal form is what 2/3 the length of the Saturn V came in peace. Around the world, people were watching the road.
That's what they got into. Is it comfy, Ben?
No, that's just a mock up, isn't it?
You can have a go, Ben.
Question number 2 should be answered later, not now. No matter what country they were launched from.
The dreams of a nation. None of it would have been possible without the tremendous team.
Hold that building and eventually come back to this road. So you will be going further north. There will be a lot that you will see by the time we come back to this road. Once again, take advantage. Look, listen, click. Use your imaginations.
60 meters high. The American flag you see on the front is 21 stories tall. The VAB is where everything comes together before a launch. The Apollo and Space Shuttle vehicles were assembled for flight in the VAB. This rocket will someday help NASA to reach its goal of human exploration of Mars.
They are. Those cranes can actually place a raw egg on the concrete floor inside that building and not crack the shell of the egg. So when the orbiters are entering those sites, the tail portion of the orbiters will not be damaged on the entrance or the exit. That crawler transporter would roll over to this item that you see in front of the bus, which is mobile launcher platform. It will lift the mobile launcher platform and transport it inside vehicle assembly building. To see the vehicle assembly building from this viewing, I will share more information with you about that vehicle assembly building later. The same applies for this white dark window building to the right. For now, what you need to know about that site, it is where we launch our spacecraft. It is the Launch Control Center site. As we go forward, you can see the imprints of the tracks from the crawler on this side of the gravel pathway. We will cross over the crawler pathway twice at the beginning here. So those of you who brought your cameras and you are very serious about information, coming this way with the spacecraft, and then look to your left, that is the direction that the spacecraft would be going. Answer is 12. All 12 of those astronauts was launched on that launching pad right there. That is the only launching pad in the history of going to the moon and walking on the moon. And tell me the name of the first space shuttle that was launched from that launching pad some 35 years ago. Center, at the very top of those towers. Now listen, girls and boys, I will help you be the smartest student in class for about 30 seconds. Close are humans allowed when there is a launching? Excellent question. Answer is. Now see the American flag from another viewing. That flag represents the tallest, largest flag. Painted, one more time, painted on any facility in the world. 209 feet or 137 meters tall, 110 feet or 33 meters wide. Each stripe on that flag, red or white, is wider than this bus. This portion would sit on top of the new spacecraft, the very top of it, and that would sit on top of the Orion capsule with the astronauts inside.
This is the firing room, launch control for the Apollo missions. This is not a mock-up. These are the very consoles we sat at when men first took off to fly to the moon. The tragedy of Apollo 1 had put us a year and a half behind.
You are now in the final minutes before the launch of Apollo 8, right here where it actually happened. Mankind is about to leave his planet behind and journey to another. It is one of those rare moments when history is not being made, destiny is being embraced.
everyone what you've done.
What?
Tell everyone what you've done.
I've took the Saturn V Stage 1 engine gym.
You took the gym in Kennedy Space Centre.
We like free life.
We do, don't we?
And that all had to be folded up inside there.
Yeah. In the top piece.
Yeah. Well, next to the top piece. Next to the capsule.
I might have to get a French fry basket.
You what?
French fry basket.
You might have to get a French fry basket. I think a French fry basket sounds good.
Should we get some dinner? I mean, it is bang on 12. Well,
Yeah, I need a toilet first.
take off 1 minute. It's Snoopy Dog.
In there.
Oh, that bit.
Yeah.
It's freezing.
It's nice here.
It's through spawn. It's disgusting.
Yes.
You're touching the moon.
I'm touching the moon.
You're going to touch the moon.
It's getting well worn, isn't it?
There's not left of it. It was about that big when they started.
The mighty jungle lions.
It's never retired.
It's made out of like fencing things.
Not much to it, like, is there?
Oh, well, they had to get it up there, didn't they? You know, it all had to be so that it was compact and then it all opened out.
A door mechanism.
Yeah.
That's what they used to land back on Earth with before space shuttles. That's his actual suit.
jaa, aga sellepärast nad seal kirjutavadki, et see oli successful failure ehk siis õnnestunud ebaõnnestumine. See oli ebaõnnestumine.
Bright.
Large dark mass up on the top of that tree.
Behind. Look up in the top of it. Like, look it from here, Ben. There. See? Yeah.
Applying the exacting standard.